boys are back from the run. Sweaty messes, how was it?
This place.
Humid, hot, but it's beautiful.
Another level. There's squirrels everywhere.
Squirrels?
Honestly, like
everywhere.
It's just, this place is mega.
Where did you go?
We have now.
Did you go to the pool?
We went by the pool.
Past the pool, round the park. There's all people running in the park. There's all these little exercise machines. They're all training. There's kids like, I don't know, doing yoga or whatever. That's,
yeah.
What a spot.
Well, I'm tidying.
We are
I'm
so lucky.
Panic's on because your dad's on his way. We've got to do customs and his boat's crap.
I love it here.
Good. Happy bunnies?
Yeah.
Considering it's Easter?
Oh, good one. I see what you did.
Yes! There's Philip's dad, Paul.
So this morning, Philip's taken us flying. It's badass. I'm seriously excited. So I feel really bad, but he wouldn't let Paul in the back of the plane as well because he's too heavy. So I'm only 70 kilos, so I'm allowed something to do with centre of gravity. But this is really exciting. I hope Phil's not too nervous. He seems pretty cool and relaxed. Skyhawk 2, a little aircraft for the day. Now I've seen the plane and the size of the back seat, I understand why they wouldn't let Paul in. He's 200 pounds and it's quite small. And we have to do some drills because Philip's doing like a training flight to, I don't know, keep him in date or something, so we have to do some stalls and some turns and some touch and goes, and Paul's just too big. Sorry, Paul. Phil's just doing his pre-flight checks. I'm pretty sure he just walked into the wing and hit his head, which is really quite worrying.
Executive clearance, 739 uniform Papa.
739 uniform Papa, executive clearance. Southbound requesting southbound departure with Charlie.
Okay. We are requesting a southbound departure with along the shoreline. We have information Charlie and uniform Papa.
Requesting taxi to the active.
Back on land, how was it, Phil? You enjoy that?
Yeah, really good. Busy as.
Yeah, seriously busy. He did great though. Top pilot, old Phil.
Black, white, khaki, in all of those.
Why filming?
Just filming your excitedness and your high levels of motivation at last.
What do you mean at last? I'm always motivated.
No, you're, it's good.
I won't be able to do it without Philip.
So you're back from your meetings and you're bang on it.
Meetings went really well.
No, 2 swimwear lines on their way.
Yeah. For sure.
Why don't you have a free plug, Philip?
I will have a free plug. Check out Manus Men's Swimwear at
Woo!
swimmanus.com.
Tonight is pizza night. Nim's back on board. Fabiola's studying. Philip and Paul are still here. Look at these.
3 weeks on the Susan M2. I'm off. Had an amazing time though.
You loved it? We don't want you to go.
I don't want to leave.
But you're going to Florida. You're staying in Florida.
Couple of days.
He's going to his
And then
daddy's.
back to Arizona.
You came, you saw, you dived.
You
got
came,
washed away in the current.
you saw,
You got attacked by sharks.
Yeah.
you conquered.
You sailed like a badass.
Bitten by a fish.
Did you get bitten by a fish?
Its mouth is very close.
We'll just tell people you got bitten by a fish. So now these guys are dropping us off at a car hire company so we can collect a car.
And you guys are welcome to the house. If I'm not there, just let me know and I'll give you all the codes. And
We're coming back.
at home, okay?
We are coming back.
Oh, I love you.
Thank you.
Thanks for everything. We're going for this.
I will see you soon.
See you later, gang.
Okay.
Yeah,
we will.
I will.
We're all packed up and ready to go.
It's really sad.
Bye, Bo.
The reason I'm taking so long is because I don't want to go.
Dave's procrastinating.
No, I am.
That was a good word.
Word. I am procrastinating because I'm really reluctant to actually go.
Right, come on. And we're off.
Can't we just change our minds and win the lottery and stay here?
Dave, even if we won the lottery, we have to go back and have a scan and find out the sex, and we have got family.
Yeah, but I'd fly business class.
Yeah, but we'd still have to go to England.
And I'd come back in 2 weeks with you.
True.
So basically we're leaving Florida. Hayley's going back for 2 weeks. Oh, sorry, excuse the speed bump. And we're having scans and getting midwives and all that good stuff because we really
Finding out the sex.
we really need to get organised on having this baby thing because we ain't got our shit together yet.
No.
And I will be going to work, so there should be a job waiting for me.
So we can pay for this baby.
Yeah, and basically my schedule between now and the birth of this baby is to just earn the money.
So we are on our way to Miami. Our flights aren't till this evening, but we're going to go and check out South Beach. We're going to go down to downtown Miami.
Downtown. We're going to Wynwood, which is a place with a lot of graffiti.
And then we'll take the car back, the hire car, and then we're on separate flights. I'm flying with BA and Dave's flying with Virgin.
It's just worked out cheaper that way.
Well, no, I booked mine ages ago, not knowing if you were coming back.
Yeah, alright. We're really sad. Bye, Suntex Marina in Hollywood. Hayley's just setting up her latest Instagram.
We are so excited that
So,
we've got
these
American
out.
visas in our British passport.
We're running a tad late because we stopped and had a long lunch, and if I'm not there in like 20 minutes I'm going to miss my flight. So Hayley's going to drop me off and then go back, drop the hire car off, and then get herself to the airport.
My flight's 2 hours after.
Yeah, she don't fly till 8 o'clock tonight, so.
Yeah, I'm here, American D.
American.
I can't see H.
She's been driving like a lunatic to get me there, which winds me up. Okay, Miami Airport, baby.
Oh, if you can't see, it says baby mama to be.
Little sis is here, we're waiting for Hayley. She'll be coming down there any minute.
So excited!
I've been without her for a whole 9 hours.
I've been out without her for what, 3 months?
Yeah. And look who we found.
And we met wearing
And look at their outfits.
wearing the same.
Same trainers, same jeans, same t-shirt, same jacket.
I almost wore my hat as well, the same but in red.
Oh, bless them. Back together.
We didn't even plan it. Right.
Touchdown in London.
Touchdown!
We're on our way. Look at those blondies with matching curls. We're on our way to get the scan.
You look like twins today, you do.
We've got Mummy Keeps, David Daddy Dodson, and the one and only Auntie Laura. Yeah, we're very excited.
We're still
We're
very
gonna find out the sex. I think it's a boy.
I think it's
boy.
girl.
Boy.
Boy.
So
But I'm not bothered as long as it's healthy.
we've got 3 boys and 1 girl.
What are you doing? Yeah, it looks nice.
Thank
Don't need extensions, do you? How long they are?
We have the envelope with the gender. So
And
now
It's our messenger coming. We're hand delivering it, and then she's stuffing the gender reveal balloon. She's got a very important task. And then at 4:30 we're going.
sunglasses. She's changing her. She'll come out in a prom outfit. Oh, here she is.
This is the envelope.
Dun, dun,
Done.
This is Brendan.
dun.
Brendan, say hello to the Daily Adventure.
Hello, Daily Adventure.
How do you feel about your task?
I feel really nervous.
I can't believe you're going to know the sex before us.
I mean, this is a really exciting time for me.
Well, we could have just asked any old man and his dog.
Oh, look. An old man and his dog. Bye.
See ya.